He's disappeared, but he's got out somewhere. Ran along that back edge. He's down here somewhere. Oh, there he is. He's got to be coming to the food tree. Now, I must be honest, the feeder box was empty when I got here. So I put some food in it. But I did only feed it up last weekend, put quite a bit of food in it, so it's certainly gone down. There he is. Look at that. Perfect. And I even put like a flap on the front as well. Or I put some feed on the top, didn't I, like on here. There we go. I'd like to see how they make sure I got used to the flap. All the feed's been going, so I'm sure yeah. Doing squirrel bone dance. I'm going to set again, guys. So that squirrel is stone dead. His brain is dead and it's just his nurse firing on his back legs. He was stone dead the moment I pulled the trigger. Okay. GoPro died, guys. I was just changing the battery. A bit quick, hopefully you can see me. There's another one. Oh, he might see me. He's done a runner. Damn it. He'll be back. I was just changing the GoPro battery. As always. First battery's dead. Probably had a bit of use, so. Damn it. I don't want to put my face mask on. It's such a lovely day. We'll see. Very skittish that one anyway. Okay. He'll be back. This squirrel coming down from the top of the tree. Oh, it's a really inviting pose at the moment. No, he's not going to move. Oh. Excellent. Well, that's number 2. Been a bit of a wait for that one. Of course, the other one came in. Got scared off. Done up me hole a little bit more. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. Take me cold hat off and just put me thing on. Change me gloves. Excellent. Okay, well that's 2 for the day at the moment, and 1's got away. Okay, still got an hour and a half or so to go before I'm going to need to make a move. So, let's keep waiting and see what happens. This one caught me unawares, guys. It's coming really quick. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was good. That's only like minutes after the last one. Excellent. 3 for today now. really caught me unawares. I was actually, look, I was just range finding at a couple of points. Because I thought if they do stop on that back fence there, I've shot them off there before, so I know it's okay. But I was like, just having a quick range. That back fence is 25 meters away, which is basically what this is zeroed at. And the actual feeder tree is 18 meters away. The impact is just a tad below the dot on the scope. That's that little rangefinder these people sent to me. Don't know if you can make it out. I don't know how to pronounce it. Alforfa or something. Anyway, nice little rangefinder. Does exactly what it says on the tin. You know, range is fine. Gives you the angle, all those sort of things. Yeah. At a very, very affordable price. Very good price. And it comes with a really nice case as well, guys. Really nice case. Okay. Wow, that one caught me. I was standing with that. I don't know where he came from. Obviously he came from the top of the trees, but how he got there without me seeing him. Anyway, he's in the bag. Still got a bit of time to go. Another one, guys, coming in along the floor. See him there? He's having a bit of a feed off the floor. Again, you're all screaming at me. I know I should maybe trim that plant off. Oh, that's inviting, isn't it? Oh, excellent. Squirrel breakdance, always having a good go, that one. Okay guys, so that is 4 for today, yeah? One that got away. Might have been one of the ones that came back. Yeah, so really good, really good. Really happy with that. Turn you off. Fold that up. Still got a bit more time. Hopefully we'll see one or a few more. What a beautiful morning. Should have set up me poles and net and just sat in the sun. That is so warm. Back of this hide is like so warm. Still only a few degrees, but that sunshine on you makes you much warmer. I've got to watch leaning forward now, haven't I? Because the sun's come round. Oh yeah, it's going to get on my face. Be careful of that, won't I? Okay. Sit and wait. Fingers crossed. Guys, I'm sure I saw a squirrel. Oh yeah. Definitely. He's coming across the top of the branches. I won't be able to get the scope. Switch it on now. He's coming down. Yep, there he is. Come on. Here we go. He's having a good look around. Might be some stuff still on the top. Here we go. Yeah. Okay guys. Excellent again. Squirrel breakdowns. So that squirrel is totally dead. Just his nerves. I keep saying it. Fed up of people commenting about it. Okay, that's it, he's done. Oh, that's just in time guys. I was just thinking about leaving him. About 15-10 minutes away from my cut-off time. I've got somewhere I've got to be early this afternoon. Wasn't sure we'd see anymore because there's been quite a bit of disturbance. I've had the landowner's son running around. Nice lad. Good to see a youngster out getting a bit of exercise. But the weather's so good. So let me see if I can show you what we're at. I don't quite know what you'll pick up, sorry, in the hide here. So here I am, just setting one man little hide. It really works well. There's to set up the rifle. FX Dreamline as usual today with the Wolf 4K scope on the top, which still works really well. That little rotate button just at the back of the scope here, it just ergonomically works really well. And in the Sabre tactical chassis, excellent. Tripod, bag at the bottom with the coffee, everything works. And then just what I'm, look at what I'm shooting at. Can't see what you're, it's quite overgrown, but it's quite clear at the moment. But as soon as the foliage grows, I won't be able to see a thing hardly. So guys, I'm probably going to call it quits there. I've got about 10 minutes left before I go. But that's now 5. So yeah, really good morning. One that got away, could have been one of the ones that came back. So really good morning. If the weather continues like this, boy, that'd be good. We'll get a lot more videos. And please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Check out all my other videos, plenty more like this and others. And hopefully I'll see you again soon guys. Good morning. Cheers for now.